Hi, and welcome to the Tommy&Sons series where we go through the projects we built this last winter. My name is Edgaras, and today we will be walking through this Softail Heritage 2024 Chicano build that we decided to name Roja Bandita. Stay tuned and get all the details about this bike.
Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up, got that black and white, that yang gang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up, like the fireworks, I keep the flame.
As for the all Chicano builds, one of the most important things are the front and rear fenders. With our Cabron series, not only do you get stretch fenders for the front and the rear, but you also get the perfect finishing line on the sides all the time. How we did this? We got rid of the cutting lines on the side and instead of that developed specific molds where we get a gel-coated lip on the sides of the fenders. This provides the perfect cutting finish as well as a very good and nice design touch for both front and rear fenders. On this specific build, we went with the 23-inch front fender and 8.5-inch stretched rear fender to have this really stretched look on the bike throughout. Of course, together with that, a very spicy accent are our slide spoke design wheels. They are CNC machined with a 3D depth effect on the spokes. They take almost 60 hours per wheel to mill and have an insanely nice looking design when you look at it from the real life perspective. So therefore this bike and this build specifically has all the accent around that. As you know, if you want to put a 23-inch wheel in, you need to rake that frame. Now these Cabron series 333s are a bolt-on fitment for the Softail Heritage models. You can go with your stock nacelle or you can go with our rake nacelle specifically for the threes. This way you have a more finished look, and in our opinion, the nacelle looks great. We have the Handlebar Apollo series together with our solid series risers. Now, all the Chicano builds, you can go either beach style bar or the high bar. In this case, we went with the Abe hangers. These are a 14-inch and we love them. It's perfect to ride, it's comfortable, and it looks good. We wanted to have this seamless flow between the wheels and the engine. Therefore, we went with the contrast cut style on the wheels and accompanied with the fully blacked out engine. So the fins and the contrast cut on the wheels can actually match. Going down, we have our Impala series floorboards. It comes with rubber, so you feel safe when riding, and the feet does not slip even when it's raining. This is something that this year we are really proud of. Instead of those regular boring fake leather seats, same old stitchings, we decided to go with something new. We got some help from one of the art studios here in Vilnius, and they helped us to develop this natural leather seat. It has the natural leather, carvings on the side, Baltic signs that is a heritage to Lithuania, and even the small details like this knife that you can actually pull out. This is something that makes this bike actually stand out, and it even has a passenger seat so you can ride with your partner. Going with the Bassani exhaust, the reason behind was the actually narrow fitment. This is one of the key points when building a Chicano. You want to have it narrow in the rear and wide and stretched compared from the side. To hide the big and bulky original Harley Davidson taillights, we went with our Crook Series 3-in-1 taillights that can actually bolt-on mount into the original struts. All you got to do is do the wiring and you have your turn signals, your stop lights and your running light. These lights are E-marked, so you will have no issues registering in the European Union. Now going into the smallest details, we got our axle cover set for the Softail model. The axle cover set actually includes front, the middle axle and the rear axle. You got everything covered to have the perfect clean finish in black. All in all, we are really in love with the bike. It rides amazing, it looks great, and of course, the biggest part of it is the paint job. When you take it out on the sun, you can see all the glitter and all the sparks in it. Finishing off everything, we got the detail touch on the air filter, where you have the name and the brand that made it. We are proud to make this stuff in Lithuania. We hope that you guys enjoy these bikes. Of course, it's possible to talk about it, pointing to each details, but we went through the biggest factors around the bike. In case of any questions, just pop us a comment, and we hope that you like the video, you will share it, and best of all, subscribe.